Welcome back. So the concept of one solution for all. In this section, I would like to discuss on some questions that you may feel like asking. Questions like, what are the organization's view about implementing SAP? When you say one solution for all, how SAP can carry out sales, purchasing, procurement, finance, and logistics as one? How SAP promises smoother executions of organizational processes? Well, here are the answers for all the above questions. Organizations implementing SAP are very happy because of few reasons. Their entire organization's processes are handled by SAP itself. Processes like order to cash, procure to pay are already automated by SAP, leading to greater time saving. Since SAP understands the business process as a whole, the configuration part is not required, thus helps in hassle-free executions. So to answer number 2, which is about how SAP can handle sales, purchase, finance, and logistics as one, the answer is these modules in SAP are strongly integrated. There are sales, logistics, purchase, procurement, and finance as separate modules inside SAP, but all these modules runs inside one ERP solution, which is SAP. Thus, SAP handles all at one. Now to answer question number 3, which was on the org processes are smoother as there are no third-party software used for integration. Since SAP avoids dependencies over other softwares, it promises to function smoother. SAP's one software for all concept is still untouched by huge companies like Oracle, Microsoft, and other giants in the ERP space. Thanks for watching this recording. We'll see you in the next section.